In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using QuickBooks Online to import your invoice data seamlessly. We'll go through each step carefully, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently import your invoices using just a few clicks. Let's begin by heading over to QuickBooks Online and logging into your account. This step is crucial because all subsequent actions will be carried out from within your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will make navigation much easier. Now we'll move on to the next step, which involves going to the settings. In QuickBooks Online, you'll find the settings by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your dashboard. This icon gives you access to a variety of settings and tools that QuickBooks offers, so it's one you'll likely use often. After clicking on the gear icon, look for and select the Import Data option. This option is where you'll begin to bring in your existing invoice records. Once you've selected Import Data, you will be prompted to click on Select Record Type. In this tutorial, we'll be working with invoices, so go ahead and choose that. With the record type set, it's time to continue by clicking on the Import button. Now you will be directed to the next screen where you have to select the file you wish to import. Click on Browse. Here, it's preferable to choose a CSV file containing your invoice data for a smoother process, but ensure that your file is organized and in a readable format so that QuickBooks can interpret the data correctly. After you've selected your file, click Next. Arrival at this stage means you're now ready to map your column headings. It's crucial to carefully review and match the column headers in your CSV file with the corresponding QuickBooks fields. This ensures your data is aligned correctly once imported, helping to avoid any future discrepancies in your records. With the column headings mapped, you'll click Next again to proceed, now focusing on mapping your tax rates. This will ensure that any tax calculations within your invoices reflect the correct rates and align with your financial records. After mapping your tax rates, you'll want to carry out a final review of all the data. Go through your mappings thoroughly. Accuracy here is key. It can save you a lot of hassle in the long run if everything is correctly set up from the start. Once satisfied with your inputs, your invoice data is ready to be imported. Verify one last time that everything is correct, then go ahead and proceed with a final import. And there you have it. You've just imported invoice data into QuickBooks Online. This process makes handling your financial data more efficient and accurate, freeing up more time for other aspects of your business. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit this guide as you familiarize yourself with importing in QuickBooks.